I've broken down the most important glow-up tips into 4 levels: life-changing, effective, surface level, time wasters. Now, let's begin with level 1, life-changing. These aren't hacks. These are foundational shifts that compound over time and separate the guys who actually transform from the guys who spend their whole life watching videos about it. 1. Building muscle. Resistance training changes your physical structure in a way nothing else does. Broader shoulders, defined chest, visible arms. These change your posture, how clothes fit, how you carry yourself, and how people perceive you before you've said a word. 3 sessions a week, progressive overload, and eating enough protein. If you're doing skincare but not training, you're decorating a house with no foundation. 2. Getting lean. Your face reveals its actual structure. Your body reveals its actual proportions. The jawline, cheekbones, shoulder-to-waist ratio. None of these are visible if they're covered in fat. Getting to 10 to 15% body fat changes what people see when they look at you more than almost any other single variable. 3. Fitted t-shirts that hug your build. A well-fitting tee that sits at the edge of your shoulder seam and hugs your arms does more for your appearance than any accessory. It shows the work you've put in. It makes you look broader and more athletic. 4. Getting lean enough for facial definition. Below 14% body fat is where cheekbones emerge. The jaw sharpens, and your face structure becomes visible. So many guys train hard, but never get lean enough for the facial transformation to happen. 5. Building genuine confidence through competence. This is what separates guys who look good from guys who are actually attractive. Confidence isn't a trait you either have or don't. It's a byproduct of doing hard things and knowing you're capable. Putting yourself in uncomfortable situations repeatedly, that experience accumulates into a way of moving through the world that no haircut or outfit can replicate. 6. Eliminating chronic inflammation through diet. Cut processed food, refined sugar, excessive alcohol, increase whole foods, protein, vegetables. Chronic low-grade inflammation from poor diet causes puffy skin, hormonal disruption, brain fog, and higher body fat. 7. Fixing your sleep. Same bedtime, same wake time. Dark, cool room. No phone 30 minutes before sleep. Maintained for months, this rewires your cortisol rhythm, optimizes growth hormone, clears your skin, leans out your face, and sharpens your mental clarity. 8. Actually starting. The most life-affecting thing on the entire list. Start today. Not after more research, not Monday. Every single thing on this list is available to you right now. The gap between guys who transform and guys who spend years watching videos about it is not information. They have the same information. The gap is action. Now, let's begin with level 2, effective. These produce genuine, visible, lasting results. Most compound over time. If you're not doing these, you're leaving real improvement on the table. 1. Eyebrow grooming. Cleaned up brows frame your eyes, improve perceived facial symmetry, and make you look more put together instantly. Take 60 seconds every 2 weeks. The impact to effort here is absurd. If you're not doing this, start today. 2. Nailing your haircut. The right haircut for your face shape makes a significant difference. The wrong one actively makes you look worse. Research your face shape, find a reference. Go to a barber who knows what they're doing. 3. Clothes that actually fit. A $40 shirt that fits beats a $150 shirt that doesn't. Shoulder seams sitting at your actual shoulder. Shirt tapering at your torso. This costs nothing if you already own the clothes. 4. Consistent skincare routine. Gentle cleanser, SPF in the morning. Cleanser and retinol at night. Done consistently for 3 to 6 months, the improvement in clarity and texture is dramatic. Most guys have never given a routine enough time to actually work. 5. Reducing alcohol. Alcohol causes systemic inflammation, disrupts sleep, suppresses testosterone, and visibly ages your skin. Guys who significantly cut alcohol report their face looking leaner and clearer within weeks. This isn't a lifestyle lecture, it's physiology. 6. Fixing your posture. Good posture makes you look taller, broader, more confident. Bad posture does the opposite of all of those simultaneously. Shoulders back and down, spine long, chin parallel to the floor. Free height, free confidence, free attractiveness. 7. Getting quality sleep, consistently. Skin repairs during sleep. Growth hormone secretes during deep sleep. Cortisol drops. Chronic deprivation causes puffy eyes, dull skin, higher body fat. 8 hours is baseline maintenance. No skincare routine compensates for 4 hours of sleep. You now have the ranked list. The only question is whether you're going to do anything about it.